The Early Recovery Toolbox. Don't drink or use today, no matter what. Repeat this phrase so many times that it becomes a reflex. Include it in your 90-day plan as a daily commitment to be renewed each morning. Create a personal recovery network. Get a sponsor. Get phone numbers from recovered addicts at meetings. Pick people with sobriety that you respect. I would suggest folks with at least a year clean. Call them at least weekly. Get to know them well enough that you won't hesitate to call during moments when you're struggling to stay sober. 12-step programs have a long tradition of recommending 90 in 90, which means make 90 meetings in your first 90 days of sobriety. If you go over 90, that's okay. Don't isolate. Communicate with someone in your recovery network every day. I cannot overstress the importance of avoiding too much time alone. Thanks for starting your day with hammock readings, and we look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.